Namaste viewers, welcome to DMS Astrology. Today we are going to speak a very beautiful yoga, that is Buddhaditya Yoga. I was surprised at how I have not done this video earlier. Otherwise you all will be benefited so much. So now let's speak about Buddhaditya Yoga. Buddha, Mercury, Aditya means Surya. When there is a combination of a sun and Mercury, that will create miracles. See, sun we believe as a soul, right? Sun we believe as our soul. So soul always gives some idea. Soul always gives some hint, some communication, something he want to tell you. Now, who will receive this? Receptive thing is the Mercury. Mercury, we believe, is our brain, intellectual, our communication, all is a Mercury. So, when there is a combination of a Sun and Mercury, that means you are aware, you are being communicated with your soul that what you have to do. You will see this as a very intellectual yoga. Surya Buddhaditya Yoga is a highly intellectual yoga, whereby the person can be utilize its mind for upholding his soul and his pathway. He will create his life very smoothly for his entire intellectual level. By his thought he upgrade his life. Now here one precaution has to be seen, that being sun is first and then Mercury is there. They always run together, jointly. Again you will find Venus also is with the track with the Mercury. Sun, Mercury, Venus. They all goes along together. All Gati is also same. All three has the same speed, average 1 degree a day. But Mercury and Venus can be retrograde, combust, and they will get slow. But Sun has a regular motion. Now here you have to check between Sun and Mercury there should be at least a distance of a 12 degree. Many people believe 13, but initially 12 degree difference between Sun and Moon should be kept, so that you will be able to see what Sun is able to show. You cannot go so close to the Sun, otherwise it makes you blind, burn your vision, burn your eyesight. So Mercury has to keep some distance, that is a 12 degree. If your Sun and Mercury is seated together, you have to see it should not be in combust. Mercury should not be combust. If it is combust, if it is fall within that degree, 12 degree, then it will be a combustion, and combust Mercury will follow the Sun, because Sun absorbs all the energy. Now you will be following your father, maybe. You may be following your some intellectual person, some elderly person in your home, your boss. This is the way where you follow some politicians, some good actor, actress. So here you put your shutter down of your mind and blindly follow somebody. It should not be happen. That is why Mercury should not be combust. If it is combust, then you will not able to get your own decision. You will be always influenced by others. Your boss will tell you, go this. Even though you are right, you will believe that no, he is right, I might be wrong. So that may be happen. So no, not to happen this thing, you should see that it should not be combust. If it is combust, then you have to always take a call from others. You have to always confirm prior to take any final decision. That is a remedy, right? So Mercury and Sun, when joined together, it will give you inner voice. They are, why they are so intellectual? Because they listen, follow their voice. You see all the successful people will say that I follow my voice. Many people has influence in my life. Many people try to change my life path, but no, I being stagnant. I was very conclusive. I was not communicate with them, and I was always thinking what I feel good. This is the Mercury which gives the light by the Sun. So your memory, your intellectual level, your communication always being correct. You always what you feel, you will be able to communicate correctly, and also you also understood the things easily. So for that reason, this Buddhaditya Yoga is a highly powerful yoga. Now this yoga happens daily. Mercury, we believe it as a intellectual level, so it will be very useful at the child. If your child is having this Buddhaditya Yoga and Mercury is not combust, then let him follow his own decision. His right, his feelings, his inner voice is communicating his brain. Is communicating his brain and getting the right vibration. I will do this, I will do this, and he will do. All the successful people, you will see that they have listened themselves, they have decided themselves in their life, and they got success. So this Buddhaditya Yoga, see what happened if the Mercury and Sun. If the Mercury is ahead of a Sun, what happens? Your memory will go faster and light or brain or the brightness comes later. Means before somebody see, you decide. So your brain is hyper, your brain is higher, your brain is correct and in the speed. If the Mercury is behind the Sun, that means first you will see, then you think, and then you decide. That simple it is. If it is together, it is combust. It should not be together, but it should be 12 degree ahead. If Mercury is 12 degree ahead to Sun, then your brain start first, and then people will realize. Even people just see, before that you decide, you think, decide, and finalize. That better this is you. If Mercury is behind the Sun, that means first you will see, then you think about it, and then you decide. So that is also okay. So this Buddhaditya Yoga is very good because Sun is a government, Sun is your father, Sun is your name, fame, recognition, and Mercury is your brain, commerce, trade, education, and good in the communication. So those having this Buddhaditya Yoga, they will pursue good in the government field. I seen many higher officer, IS officer, they have this Buddhaditya Yoga. They even think and decide so fast, then the others still not been seen. That is why government policies are always run ahead of a 5 years, ahead of a 10 years, what they are planning. So these are the brain, intellectual brain they are working. Our Indians also having so many great brains. You will find the Indian brains normally hired by the foreigners and they get benefited. So it is our time, our memory, our things which gives our intellectual level. So this intellectual level can be enhanced that like a government traders. See, government is Sun and trading is a Mercury. If your this is good, sir, Buddhaditya Yoga, you will be going to do a share trading, business with the government. You can deal with the government easily and you will be earning. See, the Mercury Chogadia we call as a Labh. Mercury is a mind. Just by deciding, you press the button and you earn in the share market. That is the Mercury. The government trading means share, stocks, SIP or LIC. LIC also is a Mercury things that you decide now and it's a government guarantee. Government gives a guarantee. I am only talking about the government LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, not the other private insurance. In private insurance, it is a Venus Mercury. It's not a Sun and Mercury. So keep it in the mind. Here, this you can utilize this Mercury and Sun by using your brain, because our brain, see whatever is in brain, we conclude Mercury as a brain, intellectual, but in our brain there is a hole, pit hole, there is a gap. In gap there is a fluid, there is some liquid, some fluid, and that fluid is called grey matter, and that grey matter is owned by the Mercury. Mercury, Buddha we call as a Mercury that lies inside our brain, and that is a green color, and that you will find that who's having more fluid will be intellectual, having average is a average mind, and somebody having a less or dry fluid. So they even though try to remember, they cannot remember. So all the remembrance, memory, intellectual level, communication. See, suppose I am telling to you, half of people will understand immediately, half of people after 2-3 listening they will understand, and some people dislike also. I seen many times people having the down thumb. I surprised, then I realized okay, they might not have understood the concept what I say, but I said everything good only. When you find 500 likes and 10 dislikes, then you will understand that okay, it is more of a people who has understood. Some people do not. They have to check their sun and Mercury. When sun and Mercury is combust, like Mercury is combust, you have to take a call from others. Prior to take a decision, you have to always take the consultation from others. Then only you should confirm your things. Otherwise, you may be fall. You will be having a barrier and not able to see the all the view. So that is why it is a remedy that you should always take a consultation with others. Now, whenever in the month Sun and Mercury are free, they are in the same sign, but they are free. If they are in same nakshatra, then it will be combustion. But if they are one nakshatra ahead, 13, 12 or 13 degree ahead, then you can utilize within same sign. Then it is a Yuti. And due to this Yuti, during that period when Mercury is not combust, take all call. Take the decision. Take right communication. And then you will find what are the changes happen in your life. How beautifully you have utilized your brain, and your brain has given and feeded so many great things in your life. So utilize this Mercury and Sun combination. It is not for any ascendant that would be good or bad. It is like if Mercury is own sign, like Gemini and Virgo. If it is exalted, same again Virgo. If it is with the Surya Budh Budaditya Yoga, if Mercury with the Jupiter, Mercury is exalted. Mercury is the Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga. Even in the Pisces sign, it's seated with Jupiter or it is seated with the Venus, it's a Neecha Bhang Raj Yoga. Then also, these all are the conditions where you will find your brains are super. See, who made the computer? Mercury. Your software, Mercury. All app, whatever the app children makes, now our small children also make. That is this. The memory, that's memory queen, that's Sakuntala Devi, highest Mercury is there. So Mercury is nothing but the intellectual level. Whatever we brain mapping and brain testing we do, this is the Mercury. So utilize this Sun and Mercury Buddha Ditya Yoga, and you will find your life is so easy, comfortable. You take, see, if you don't have this yoga, don't worry. Every month this yoga appears. During the Sun and Mercury yoga, Buddhaditya yoga, see in the Panchang when they are together in one sign and distance of 12 degrees are there. More than 12 degrees if they are, then this yoga is present. Take a call. Decide. Peacefully sit and listen your heart. Oh, I have to do like this, and do that. Take the decision, call, communicate it, and you will be amazed. You will be amazed seeing the result. So that beautiful this Buddhaditya yoga is there. I was surprised at how I have not done this yoga earlier. So now as I have done, do utilize maximum and get a benefit out of it. So that is my prayer to you. I gives my brain. Now use your brain. Listen carefully. Apply in your life. Share with others and see the result. And people will amazed that how this person is so ahead, because you have taken the right decision. So utilize this video. See the Panchang, Sun, Mercury, whenever they are combined, you take a call and just amazing result. So this is my blessing that you all will get a good result in your life. And do like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology. Do connect with me in my Facebook Dharmesh Mehta, Instagram DM Astrology or Jyotish Dharmesh. Inbox also I have given my all the website and all the details where you can connect with me. So herewith, God bless you. Enjoy these videos, and in next video again we'll come back with the better ideas, and you all will be benefited. Thank you. Namaste. Stay blessed.